Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Carissa. I am a beauty blogger, but I'm mostly on Instagram, so if you're not following me already, that'll be linked down below. Go follow me on Instagram. I don't normally look this crazy, but I'm about to explain everything right now. So basically, I know I've been talking a lot on social media, like on my Instagram and stuff, about how we're moving. We actually move into our new place tomorrow. We're not like fully moving in tomorrow, but tomorrow's like our move-in date. So I really wanted to do like a series of us moving, but I am like the worst at remembering to like vlog and do stuff like that. I have like completely forgotten to vlog a lot of stuff, but I just wanted to like talk to you guys about everything that's been going on, and I'm gonna try to do it like as quickly as possible. We started looking for a new apartment probably about 3 or 4 months ago is when I like really started looking. We narrowed down the type of apartment we wanted based on like amenities that we felt that we needed or wanted. So I think when you're looking for an apartment, that's the first thing you should do, is find or make a list of things that you need and things that you want, and be realistic with yourself, you know, based off of what's available to you in your area and what you have to spend. That's another big thing that you'll want to do first, is figure out your budget, like what is the maximum you can spend on rent. Then we decided, you know, what are the things we want, what are the things we need. At the top of the list of things we like, pretty much the only thing we felt that we needed was a washer and dryer in our unit, because right now we're going to a laundry facility that's in our apartment complex, but we don't like it. It's time consuming, it's a waste of money because they charge so much. It's like $2 per wash and dry, so it's $4 for a load of laundry. And we've had our clothes and like towels and stuff stolen out of the dryer, so we were just kind of like over that. Or like the next place we live has to have a washer and dryer in our unit, so that was like a big thing for us. And after that, we decided the next thing we wanted was a second. These are things we wanted, not things we needed. We wanted a second bathroom, so like a 2-bed 2-bath, and we also wanted like mostly like wood type flooring. We didn't need like wood floors, but like wood style flooring. I did a ton of research. We narrowed it down to 3 places. I went and looked at them all, and actually the one that we're moving into, it wasn't exactly my first choice, but it wasn't because I didn't like the apartment. It was because it was a little out of our price range. The place that was first on my list, right as we were getting ready to like apply to places, because like I said, we had narrowed it down to 3, the price on the place I was originally going to apply to went way up, and the price on the place that we are actually moving into now went way down. So we immediately applied to the place that we're gonna be moving into because the price had dropped so much. Like, if you rent like at all, especially apartments, like look every day at what the prices are online, because they're constantly changing and you want to get it when it's the lowest. And I feel like we did, because I honestly feel like for what we're getting in the area we're living in, it's honestly a steal. So yeah, the place we found is a 2-bedroom 2-bath. It's 1,090 square feet. It's got washer dryer, it's got wood style flooring, it's a first floor unit. So yeah, it's everything we want. It's got all kinds of cool amenities. It's right on a lake, it's got a pool, a hot tub, a gym, a basketball court, a volleyball court. It's on a nature preserve, and it's got a dog park. Like, it's got everything that we want. Obviously you have to take into consideration like utilities, so no utilities are included in the price of rent, so we will have to pay water, electric, internet, all that stuff, which we are in the process of getting set up. I'm gonna go over the application process real quick. So anybody 18 or older that's going to be living in the apartment has to put in their own application. The application fee was $50 a person, which is pretty average for apartments. So it was $100 for me and my boyfriend to apply. We got approved, and the way this particular apartment complex did it was their security deposit could have been anywhere between $300 was the minimum, and then a full month's rent was the maximum based on your credit. We got approved for a $300 security deposit, which is really good because that means our credit was good. And then there was a $100 administrative fee, which we still have to pay. It's a $300 pet fee. It's really nice about this place because they just have like a pet like deposit. They don't have a pet rent, which a lot of places do a pet deposit and a pet rent. So it's really cool that they don't do the pet rent. You just pay the deposit and then that's it. And then a prorated rent, which was around $500. So what prorated rent is basically, they like calculate how much the rent should be based on how long you'll be living there for this month, because obviously we're moving in on the 19th. That's not a full month. And there was a bunch of stuff that we needed to do once we got approved. So the place that we're living requires renter's insurance. Not every place requires renter's insurance. Some places you can get renter's insurance through them and you just pay like an additional monthly fee and they provide you with renter's insurance. But I have like an insurance company that I go through that we've belonged to for years, so they give me like a really good deal. And then other than that, they needed all the pet information, so they needed a picture of both the dog and the cat. They needed all their vaccinations and whatnot, like all that information. And then they needed proof that we had set up our electric, so I set up the electric yesterday, so it's going to be turned on tomorrow because obviously it's our moving date. So I had to send them all that information saying that we got the electric set up. So I got pretty much all of that done today. The only thing left that needs to be done is for me to pay the administrative fee, the pet fee, and the prorated rent. So I'm going to pay that today so we can be done with all the setup for this. I'll show you guys what I got, what I ordered. So I just got these pillows from Overstock. They're just like plain, they're Sealy pillows, just two like queen size Sealy pillows. So I got those, and then I have more pillows coming today. I got cooling gel pillows because me and my boyfriend are like cold sleepers. We like really like it when it's freezing cold when we sleep. So I got some cooling pillows, and then this is the comforter I got. It's just like a plain gray. It's from Bed Bath & Beyond. So this is a full/queen size. We have a queen size bed. Garment wash, 100% cotton, 3-piece bed set. Because halfway through living here, we decided we weren't staying here. So I like stopped giving a fuck about decorating, and it just became this. So I'm really excited to like have a place that I feel like we're gonna be for a while, and I can like really decorate and make it homey. That's the biggest thing I already told my boyfriend, is like the next place we live, I really want it to feel homey. Like I want to come home, feel relaxed, and like just like I can be comfortable. So just a little update, I got my other pillows. They just arrived. So this is the Weekender gel memory foam pillow. I got these from Overstock. I got 2 of them. They're like sealed, like, you know, they're the, what's it called, vacuum sealed in there. So I'm not gonna take them out yet because obviously they're a little more condensed when they're in these. And they're gonna be these big pillows if I take them out. So, but yeah, I got 2 of those. Update. I took a shower. I've been doing this face mask, but I'm gonna take it off in a minute, and then I'm probably gonna eat some food because I'm hungry. I'm a taco. Jody and I out here living our best lives at Target. We're gonna run by again. Oh, there it goes. Hey guys, what's up? Super echoey. So we got the keys to the apartment probably like an hour ago, and then we went to Target and got a bunch of stuff for the apartment. And now, yeah, we're just like cleaning and stuff. So I thought I would do an apartment tour. An empty apartment tour. Jody's here too, but she's hiding. Jodes? We're doing an apartment tour. Alright, so when you walk in, this is the front door right here. And then, so if you come in, this is what you see. Obviously it's a mess right now because we're cleaning and setting things up. But we have finally like wood style flooring, which is nice. And then there's a little coat closet here. So that's what that looks like. And then you walk, and to the right is the kitchen. Again, a super mess right now. We just have like boxes everywhere and cleaning stuff. We went to Planet Smoothie. So good. And so yeah, it's still a mess, but we have dishwasher, double sink, which is nice, and it even has one of these. And lots of cabinet space. We have a stove. We have a microwave built in, which is awesome. And then over here is like the little pantry. Oh, I finally got to use my little succulent thing. Over here's the pantry. So right now we just have like the dog treats and stuff up there. And then, yep. And on the other side of that, we have the fridge. Nothing in here right now. I do not know what Jody's doing in there. Freezer, and we have an ice maker, which is nice. And then here is the washer dryer. So we have the washer over here. I just have all the candles up here, and then we have our garbage. I don't know if we're gonna keep the garbage in here, but we need to keep it somewhere like away because our dog will get into it. So it might be in here, it might not, because I don't think it like fits the best in here. Dryer, and then we have some like random things up there. There's Judd's. And then this is the guest bathroom. I'm not gonna turn that on. But we have a nice little linen closet. And then this bathroom has a garden tub. And then we just have this little half wall, nice like whitish counters, like nice stone counters, which is cool. And yeah, and then this leads into the guest bedroom / my boyfriend's game room. So he's probably gonna put his desk right here against this wall, and then he's gonna mount the TV above, and then we're gonna get a couch right here that pulls out into a bed. So like if he has people over, they can just sit on the couch and watch TV, but when we have guests over, we'll have like a guest bed. So, and then even the guest bed has like a huge closet. So yeah, that is the closet. So then this goes into the living room. So this is the living room. It's pretty big. And we have a Juliet balcony, which is a balcony without a balcony. So this door just goes nowhere and has like no like screen or anything. It just is what it is. But it comes with these nice blinds, so that's really cool. And there's just, these are not doors, these are just windows. So, but it brings in a lot of light. So this is living area. We're probably gonna do, I don't know exactly what we're doing there yet, but we're gonna put the TV here and then couch there. And then it goes into the dining area. So this is where we just were, that's where you come in. And then this dining area is pretty big and it has mood lighting. It has one of these really cool things. You like dim it or whatever we want, which is really neat. And then we have the thermostat over here and just like a water heater. And then this is the this is the master bedroom. Do that again.
Ow! Oh, did you hear that?
So this is a master bedroom. We just have like some random shit in here. We got our sheets and our comforter, and we got our gel pillows, which Jody's using. Is it nice?
So soft.
Ooh, it's cool.
I know.
Yeah, they're cooling gel pillows. We got 2 of those, and then we just have these pillows. They're like our sham pillows. And then this is the master closet, which is freaking huge. I feel like a celebrity. I literally feel like a celebrity. I'm so excited to like make these shelves look really cool and whatnot. So yeah, that's that. And then we have the master bath, which has double sinks, which is really awesome. So we have a sponge in there because we were cleaning. Double sinks, lots of storage, and these are like deep drawers, which is really nice. And then I just have some of my makeup stuff down there right now. And we have toilet paper in this drawer. Toilet's over here, and then it's just a shower stall over here. So there's no bath in this one, but I like that there's like seats. It's really nice that there's seats in here, so you can like sit and shave and stuff.
Right? Like sit on the deck.
Oh my god. Alright, but yeah, it just has the sliding glass.
I like that your carpet's like short carpet, because like if it was longer, how my old first apartment was,
Yeah.
it would just mesh up.
Yeah, the carpet's pretty nice. But yeah, that's the apartment. Hey guys, what's up? I just woke up, so I look a hot mess. What else is new? Basically, I'm gonna end this vlog today, and I'm gonna start editing it and be, you know, back on top of my game. And I'm gonna talk to you guys also on Instagram today, just to let you guys know what's been going on, because I feel like I haven't really said that much about why I've been so like distant on Instagram. So I'm gonna discuss that today. And basically where we're at now, you saw the vlogs yesterday. We moved into the apartment. We just put like some basic things in there that we didn't need right away. I will definitely be vlogging more, coming up with like furnishing the apartment and all that stuff, but I think I'm gonna end the vlog here for this week. So if you guys enjoyed this, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Sorry that I look like this while I'm telling you this, but you'll want to subscribe. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.